This is where I was absolutely shocked. Look at this, almost dollars in spend. Hey guys, Jason here with adskills.com, bringing you yet another episode of The Edge. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the marketing of Lifehack Guru. I was browsing around on foxnews.com looking for some display ad inspiration. This is one of their ads, put baking soda in the toilet, here's why. That is very weird, very curiosity invoking. It really stands out here. This image does not look professional at all, so it sort of just leaps off the page. But actually the ad I snapshotted was a different one. So Fox News keeps updating with different display ads. This one was equally as strange. Wrap foil around doorknobs when alone. Here's why. So that is really going for curiosity. So when you click, and let me just say this, we're going to just focus on the display marketing for Lifehack Guru. And in a moment, you'll see why I just want to focus on display. So when you click 67 genius life hacks that make life so much easier, I bet they are dynamically updating the date because as of recording, that is today, right? So they've got all these really weird life hacks. So this is a very long listicle. Never spill while boiling water again. There's no call to action there, nothing to click on. The next one, simple coffee trick triggers 24/7 fat burning and torches stubborn fat pockets. And here we actually see something clickable. So let me click that. And that is taking me to what looks like a ClickBank offer. Here's another call to action to watch it now. This is how you can win the lottery over and over. Another thing to watch now. Lottery defeater. Looks like another ClickBank offer, right? This all looks like affiliate stuff. So that one does not have a call to action. Scientists discover brain's mute button for tinnitus relief. This one does have a call to action. And again, it's going to be another offer that looks like it's off ClickBank, or at least it's an affiliate offer. The standard VSL presentation here. Right, so you're going to see that as you go through offer after offer, and they're peppering in some that are just pure editorial content, no offer. I guess that could make it flow better, make it seem realistic, and then not everything has a call to action. So maybe some advanced strategy going on there. And the reason I say advanced strategy is yet something you will find out when I reveal the amount of traffic they're getting and how much they're spending. I think you're going to be shocked. So let's go to SimilarWeb. I was pretty surprised when I clicked over to SimilarWeb and I see almost 6 million visits over this 3-month period here. Even though they are getting a lot of social traffic, a lot of organic, I want to focus on display ads. And one more thing I want to show you inside of SimilarWeb. It's interesting that SimilarWeb will show you the top ad destinations. So these are outgoing clicks. I know this is a big CPA campaign that I've seen when researching other advertisers, Capital One Shopping. So you can see that's one of their destinations. So that probably means it's in the article or on the site somewhere. But when we come over to AdBeat here, this is where I was absolutely shocked. Look at this, almost $11 million in spend. Look at this. This is insane. And again, you know, they're humming along here. They're figuring things out, and we can see they're starting to spend a little more here. They take a big uptick. They're starting to really scale right here. It kind of comes back down and then boom, off into the stratosphere. Almost $11 million on Google Display. And a lot of people, including myself, a lot of times feel like Google Display is just a tough nut to crack. That you get clicks, but it can sometimes be very, very hard to turn those clicks into conversions. But Lifehack Guru is a site that must be doing that. Otherwise, they wouldn't be spending this amount on Google displays. So there's some inspiration for you. If you ever feel down on your campaigns, what you're trying, things aren't converting, affiliate offers aren't converting, these ClickBank offers aren't converting, Google displays no good, you can always look out there for inspiration and find a campaign like this, analyze them on AdBeat, and see that someone is absolutely crushing it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed geeking out with you. This is Jason signing off, and I'll see you on the next episode of The Edge.